I can't have you, I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong.
Hey friends, it's Gabby back in front of you. Today I will be doing a get ready with me. Today is kind of a special day because I have an awards night and I just wanted to get ready with you. Today's concept is kind of IU inspired. I have a bunch of pictures of the style that I'm kind of going for today. Firstly, we have this picture. The hair is the main thing that I'm trying to copy here. And then for this one, it's her lips and like the blush that she's wearing. And for this one, basically I'm trying to recreate the wing on her eye and like the eyeshadow on that look. But yeah, so we are gonna get started because it is starting at 6 and it's 5:30. Welcome to my zoomed in face. I have my basic skincare on already, so we're just gonna get right into it. I'm gonna curl my bangs first with this roller or put it away. I usually don't wear foundation, and also since this is just an online event, I don't really like need to cover my full face with makeup, but only the parts that I feel like need improvement, I guess. I have a bunch of dark spots, so I like to cover those up as well. Also, I am using the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer in the shade CW 6.5. This shade is perfect on my skin for some reason. I usually blend it with a beauty blender, but I didn't clean my beauty blender yet, so. Okay, now that my base is done, I can now do my eyeshadow. My eyeshadow is really simple. I'm now using the ColourPop Yes Please palette. I'm using this shade. So anyway, my school is gonna have a physical graduation in July. By the time you're watching this, I've already graduated high school, which is crazy. A super big achievement in my opinion. A lot of people don't know this, but I actually had to repeat a grade when I got here to America because of my age. They said I was kind of young to be a junior, but granted, I did study quite early. Like, I studied a year earlier than my supposed to be like class, I guess. So I was just basically put back to where I was supposed to be, but it's still kind of unfair since I did work hard for my achievements and stuff. So far this is what it looks like. I work really hard in like school and stuff, so when they asked me to repeat, it was kind of sad. So yeah, but things happen for a reason, I guess. Also, these days I've been watching one K-drama, which is surprising because I always watch 2 at the time. These days I've been kind of busy with like preparing for college and stuff, but currently watching Mystic Pop-Up Bar. So far it's really, really good. And I'm quite enjoying it. So I'm looking forward to like watching the next episodes of it. Let me look at this. I can't see properly. My eyeshadow is gonna be covered by my glasses anyway. Okay, not bad. I'm done with eyeshadow. Now we move on to eyeliner, which is my favorite part. But I noticed that IU's style for eyeliner is like pointing down. I'm not gonna talk at this part because this is really hard. I think I did it. On to the other eye. Alright, now time to curl my lashes real quick. I'm running out of time, just in case anybody was wondering. These days I've been listening to a lot of IU songs, especially her latest song, which is 8 with Suga. It is really good. I really do enjoy it. Oops. Guys, there's only like 5 minutes. I'm gonna turn on my laptop real quick.
And we're gonna go into more detail.
Well, guys, it's already starting. Here's my lipstick. It is by Peri Para in the shade Burnt Tangerine. My last step would be rubbing or blending my lip tint. This is a rush makeup tutorial, guys. I'm sorry. And just adding it as blush. Now we are gonna move on to my bangs. It's already starting, but like, to be honest, it's all good. I think it's not technically saying my name yet, so my bangs are really nice today, not gonna lie. I'm gonna copy the one that IU had, where she has it like curled nicely to the side. I am very excited to graduate. I think it's all ready. Let me do this. I started late, like my makeup late, because I was tutoring a child. I do enjoy tutoring, but it does get quite hectic because I have to balance like my YouTube life and school life and work life, but we're all ready.
So I asked Gabrielle Calara to come back tonight because I was afraid I didn't do a good enough job with us tonight. Gabrielle was a scholar athlete for us. She is heading to Fordham University. She has 2 varsity letters in tennis for 2018 and 2019, and always had a smile on her face every time I saw her. So I'm hoping that you're here tonight, and I hope I did better than I did last night for you, and best of luck.
Thank you, I'm here.
There you are. All right, I did better, right?
Yeah, you did.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
2, 1, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, you say.
So this is a final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me get ready. I'm gonna go attend the Google Meet thing. Thank you so much for getting ready with me. I hope that I kind of recreated to the best of my abilities IU's style. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video, and I hope you all keep growing. Bye!
And you gotta be happy. And you gotta be happy. It's all around. It's all brand new. It's